Emizaano emaze rero 8 rukiniro mu kibuga Mbarara City zihendeire izo bari yanyumwe abazyo ubwo za team zikoze kurungiza urukwebwe bwo n'imidari. Emizaano yitabwe mu za team ko rugomba bicuka byone bya Uganda kandi team ya district ya Rebirizi niyo yonko ko rugomba rugwizo besingire chikopo bwanyuma yo kusinge ya mukono na gore mwaro bushomuza kamariro zo mu mupira gwe bigira habwa bojo abari hansi y'imyaka 16. Time zinde ziri mu bushenyi ntungamo kazo hamwe na kanungu zigerezeho kuzana kurungi no buzitasingire
tubaniranye bitone by'abana kuva wansi mu primary schools.
Challenges ezindeebire mu wano share mpireji hari challenges zaba coach okuta pressure habana babo yani bazana ushanga ngo mwana yagira pressure abura kuzana mpira abura kwe composinga.
A lot of lessons learned from this championship that you need to keep prepared even beyond our expectation, because we didn't expect, didn't even know that we do have UPDF playing in the same championship, but they have come. By much as they have come, remember it is UPDF, they have they have cut off the grounds, we have to improvise and get elsewhere.
We feel so great and very happy for this moment because we have won all the teams. We feel fine and we hope our team, we are just training them for future games.
Timu ya Choterani yesingire y'ubwanyuma yo kusingura ibikopo bishatu kandi igikuratirwe mukono wa Kiso ubutambara hamwe na Nansa n'izisingwire ibikopo biruburiyemwe. Emikoro yo kuhendera Emizaano igikurirwe kamisha nawe Emizaano Reverend Duncan Zimugumye abwa TV West and Aloysius Byamukama.